These were some very difficult times the last couple of years. If we look at Voltec Solar, since we're German-French, but we are still on French soil, we had times where this was helpful for us in terms of our sales inside and outside of France. We had times where the French market was very strong in 2010, then it came down due to political decisions. 2011 and 2012, was very difficult for everybody, I guess, in the global industry. We came through that partly also because the group of companies which Voltec belongs to is also in other activities, like in wooden flooring, in furniture business, big names like IKEA being customers. So we have not only one leg to stand on, we have more. That's a good thing, because if you look at the companies that have the biggest problems now, these are the big players, and these are the ones dedicated to only PV. We have smaller size, and we have other activities. So that helped us come through that time, and the financial stability on a group level helped us tremendously on that. In the meantime, the wind has changed a bit, specifically in the French market, since last year, for example, much more than half our volume was outside of France. Now this year, it will probably be the reverse because of the change of political decisions. So that has helped us to continue to be here, and we have a good market. We have a very good utilization rate of our production capacity. We're even increasing capacity now, so we are ready for more to come. Behind me here, our partners Voltec Solar, who have helped us to enter the market in the UK. UK is a market of around about 2 gigawatt per year, which is a good size of a market. If you look at Europe, Germany used to be the biggest market, I guess, in Europe, even in the world, as an individual market with more than 7 gigawatt 3 years in a row. Then UK with 2 gigawatt is still a good size compared to that. Germany is on the decline. I think UK is quite stable. And if you look at our production capacity, 2 gigawatt is more than enough. If we can get a good share together with our partners in the UK, then this is a good market for the long term for us. We have our capacity already. We doubled it last year in 2012, in the difficult year 2012. So we were already going against the trend at that time. And now we are in a time where some big projects are being signed. We are starting to produce a 7 megawatt project in all mono 275 panels, so very high level panels as well, which will give us a good load. We're not a gigawatt player, so we don't need 100 megawatt projects to have a good utilization of our production. But these projects that we are about to sign for the French market at the moment for big volumes, but then also distribution contracts outside of France, they are helping us to increase capacity even further. In January already, it's decided to add another laminator step to our production line. At that point, this line will be, let's say, maxed out to what it can do. And then already we have offers for a further production line. And we'll see about the market. Maybe we will look at some OEM production if some spikes arrive, or another production line. This is all in preparation. The next step for the laminator, that's decided and will arrive.